start with Jon Stewart's humorous admission of being a beginner. "I am the dummy here. Explain it to me like I am 5. Billionaire Mark Cuban introduces Bitcoin as a revolutionary financial tool, highlighting its growing relevance in today's digital age. Acknowledge how confusing crypto can feel at first, but emphasize the importance of understanding it. Tease the audience. By the end of this video, you'll know why Bitcoin could change the future of money. Mark explains how gold became a store of value historically. Gold is valuable because it's scarce and hard to get. He draws parallels to Bitcoin, explaining its scarcity and why it's often called digital gold. Discusses the effort involved in mining gold versus Bitcoin mining, emphasizing the unique technology behind Bitcoin. Unlike gold, Bitcoin is mined digitally, and there will only ever be 21 million. That's why its value keeps increasing as demand grows. Dive deeper into why Bitcoin outshines gold as a store of value in today's world. Highlight portability. Imagine carrying $1 million worth of gold. Now imagine it fits in your phone as Bitcoin. Mark shares a humorous anecdote about Stewart imagining slicing gold bars at the supermarket. Cuban emphasizes Bitcoin's practicality. It's secure, digital, and perfect for our interconnected world. Explain the concept of Bitcoin's capped supply. Only 21 million will ever exist. Highlight how lost Bitcoins add to its scarcity, sharing real-life stories of early adopters losing fortunes. Cuban drives the point home. Bitcoin is valuable because it's scarce, and people trust its decentralized design. Use an analogy to reinforce understanding. Think of it like a Picasso painting rare, unique and priceless. Discuss Bitcoin's role in making international transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Cuban explains, if you need to send $100 to someone abroad, Bitcoin does seconds without high fees. Compare this to traditional banking systems that are slow, costly, and heavily regulated. Add a real-life example of someone transferring money to family in another country, highlighting Bitcoin's impact. Introduce Ethereum as the second biggest cryptocurrency with a unique feature: smart contracts. Explain smart contracts as automatic contracts that execute tasks without middlemen. Example: imagine you sell a digital textbook. Every time it's resold, you get royalties automatically, thanks to smart contracts. Discuss the broader potential of Ethereum in industries like real estate, IP, and digital ownership. Expand on the possibilities of smart contracts, revolutionizing music and intellectual property. Example: a musician could earn royalties every time their song is played or resold without needing a record label. Discuss how this technology empowers creators, giving them more control over their work and income. Cuban adds, this could eliminate disputes over royalties entirely, making the process transparent and fair. Cuban compares crypto adoption to the early days of smartphones, when only tech enthusiasts used apps. Discuss how apps like Instagram drove mass adoption by making smartphones essential for everyone. Crypto is still waiting for its Instagram moment killer app that makes it indispensable for the average person. Leave the audience intrigued. What will that app be? Only time will tell. Address the risks of crypto, including volatility and the potential for losses. Balance this with its revolutionary potential. Yes, it's a gamble, but it's also an opportunity to reshape finance as we know it. Cuban reassures, the key is to understand the technology and invest wisely. Encourage viewers to explore crypto responsibly and think long-term. Recap the key takeaways. Bitcoin as digital gold, Ethereum and smart contracts, and crypto's transformative potential. Call to action. If you want to learn more and stay ahead in the crypto world, hit subscribe and join us tomorrow for another insightful video. End with a teaser. Next time, we'll explore how NFTs are changing the game for creators.